Something that always comes up
Yep.
in our bankruptcy shows has to deal with student loans.
Oh boy.
Okay. Where do we stand on student loans now? Because student loans is out of control, number one.
Huge.
I mean, it's, the
Largest debt pool in the United States.
And maybe the largest scam, one of the largest scams. Well, I mean, you're lending hundreds of thousands of dollars to someone that doesn't appreciate $100,000. They're at school, they're living off of loans, and they're enjoying going to college.
And there's nothing to take back if you don't perform, right? You lend somebody $100,000 on a home, if you don't pay for your home, they can take the home back and resell it. You can't resell somebody's education.
Right.
I had a client who one time paid $60,000 in student loans for a portion of a photography degree from the Art Institute.
Yeah.
Right? $60,000 to learn how to take pictures. And she didn't even get to finish her degree, and now she's saddled with that debt because she didn't know what to do.
But what do you do with the interest that's just accumulating every freaking month, it seems like?
You can actually abate that interest during bankruptcy. So so that's one of the perks, that if you were to have to file some form of reorganizational bankruptcy, maybe a Chapter 13 for an individual, then you can actually work on those interest rates during the life of a bankruptcy plan, which is a little bit better. It's still not the full relief that a person needs, but for right now, it's better than it has been.
Okay. So there's some relief out there.
There is. It's not enough, but it's getting better.
Are you seeing any trends happening right now that are coming through your door? You finding a lot more 13s that individuals are having to file, or is it Chapter 7?
Well, what you're really seeing a lot of, Chris, is you're seeing a lot of people who are doing everything they can to avoid talking to a bankruptcy lawyer, and that's honestly one of the most sad things, because these people are getting phone calls, whether it's from secured lenders with these variable interest rates. They're going, hey, your interest rate just went up. Now you're toast. And so because of that, they're coming to me late in the game after they've already rated retirement accounts, after they've already rated protected assets drawn on home equity lines. And I'm like, oh my goodness, if you would have just talked to me 6 months earlier, could have saved you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if you guys are seeing us tonight, we'll waive any consultation fee. So if you call the office and say, hey, look, I just want to talk to somebody. I want to know what my rights are. You call them, tell us you saw us on Law Call tonight, and we'll absolutely waive any consultation fee, because most important thing is that people know what their rights are.
Right, but just because you're a debtor does not mean that you have nobody that will stand up for you, and it doesn't mean that you don't have rights either.
As if you're considering these options, talking to a bankruptcy lawyer doesn't mean you failed, it doesn't mean you're a deadbeat, and it doesn't mean you're a bad person. There's so much condemnation that's out there for people to be able to talk about what their rights are. How crazy is that? That it's people feel like they're terrible humans because they want to call someone to go, hey, I have these rights that are given to me. What does that mean?
Right.
That's all we want to talk about, is making sure that people know that they have options. They have the ability to find that fresh start. And so often they're afraid to do it because of these stigmas that are out there.